director of the Autism and Developmental Disabilities Clinic here at Mississippi State University. I'm also the department head of counseling, ed psych, and foundations. And here at the Autism Clinic, we do a ton of things to serve the community. The very first thing we do is we provide comprehensive pediatric, academic, and behavioral health services to kids birth through emerging adulthood. And we see a number of people that do have autism, usually up to about 100 to 120 people a week we serve in the community. About half that population has autism. The other half, that developmental disabilities part of our clinic is really, really important because we see kids with a whole host of other things such as Down syndrome, other genetic disorders, learning disabilities, behavior disorders. Pretty much if somebody's experiencing development in any type of atypical way whatsoever, they can come see us for services and support. One of those ways is just through good old-fashioned individualized intervention services. So we meet with families and we come up with interventions that meet those family-specific needs, and that might be for problem behaviors like non-compliance or aggression. It might be for functional life skills, potty training, dressing, social skills. But then we also do that for academics. So if kids need help with reading or math, we do that as well. And so families would come in for individual services, we'd come up with a plan for them, and we'd work on all of those things. Another big thing we do is social skills. So we have social skills groups, preschool all the way through young adults. And that's where we take smaller groups of between 4 and 7 kids with different types of disabilities or social skills needs, and we all work together to kind of work on those social skills based on their level of development and what they need. Another really big thing we do here is training. So all of our services are provided by graduate students in our school psychology program here at Mississippi State. So they provide all of our individual intervention and they do all of our assessment services for both the community-based services as well as for the Autism Liaison program as well. And all of those students are earning their specialist or doctorates in school psychology and then would go out into, when they graduate here, and work in the state of Mississippi, hopefully, and provide these services throughout. And then the final thing we do for the community is comprehensive psychological and psychoeducational assessment services. So whether that's somebody needs an autism diagnosis or a parent's worried about their teen suffering from anxiety or depression, we can do those, or also make recommendations about disability eligibility categories for schools as well. As far as funding goes here at the Autism Clinic, we are 100% a self-funded portion of the university. So we survive 100% on sliding scale fee that we use for our community clients, as well as grants and gifts are the #1 ways we're allowed to do the things we do here. And so the more support we have from the community, the more support we have through our grant endeavors, the more services we're able to provide.